Concrete slab. A concrete slab is a flat, horizontal surface made of concrete. It is used to support structural elements or as a flooring surface. Slabs are commonly used in residential and commercial construction. They come in a variety of thicknesses and sizes, depending on the requirement of the project. A concrete slab is a popular structural feature. We can use it for a variety of construction projects, including concrete patio, concrete driveway, concrete foundations, concrete beams, concrete steps, concrete floors, concrete sidewalk, concrete roof or ceiling. There are a few different types of concrete slabs, each with advantages and disadvantages. Depending on your project, you may opt for any of the following types of a slab. Poured concrete slab. Precast concrete slab. Stamped concrete slab. Decorative concrete slab. At Cincinnati Concrete Contractors Co, we specialize in concrete slab services. We use only the highest quality concrete, and our experienced team has the skills and knowledge to get the job done right. Our services include concrete slab installation, concrete slab repair and maintenance, concrete slab resurfacing. Look no further than the experts at Cincinnati Concrete Contractors Co for your concrete slab services needs. We have years of experience, and we know how to get the job done right the first time. Contact us today. Cincinnati Concrete Contractors Co, 3431 Telford Street, Number 2, Cincinnati, Ohio, 45220, 513-613-2077 https://www.cincinnaticoncretecontractorsco.com/